Hello friends, greetings for the day. Myself Dr. D.K. Jha, pediatric pathologist and intensivist, New Delhi NCR. Today I will disclose you a very good news for approximately 1 billion patients worldwide suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. It is a condition in which there is apnea during sleep due to collapse of the upper airway due to some neuromuscular problems. And this collapse of the airway causes desaturation, there is hypoxia, and it leads to many problems like cardiovascular problems, neurocognitive problems, maybe early deaths. And till now there is only one treatment, continuous positive airway pressure machine being applied to the face, and most of the patients refuse it because it is a cumbersome process and many patients do not tolerate it. And unfortunately, most of the patients suffering from this disease are undiagnosed and untreated. So in this context, there has been a trial AD109, and it has been given to more than 600 adult patients of this OSA for long time, and it has shown promising results after 26 weeks and after 51 weeks of double blind placebo controlled randomized trial. And after this, it has been shown that this combination pill containing eroxybutanine and atomoxetine 75 mg and eroxybutanine 2.5 mg. This is a combination pill being taken once daily at bedtime. And after the trial, at the end of 26 weeks, there was marked reduction, 45% reduction in apnea hypopnea index, and after 51 weeks this reduction was sustained. So this will be a very good treatment, a novel treatment, an innovative treatment for patients suffering from OSA, obstructive sleep apnea. And this is the only treatment which will be available as a pill, as a medicine. It will be taken once daily only at bedtime, and most probably it will be available in the market next year, that is 2026, after being approved by FDA. And this study has been published on 25th of July 2025. Thank you very much. Take care. Be aware.